revolution will be live.
How are you today?
Well, thank you. That's cool as hell.
Oh, thank you, thank you.
Let's go say, damn, I want to take
Ready?
further stretch. Up, make a left, follow the buildings around over a little bridge.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
All right, have a good day. NJMP, and I took a long trip, a slow one at that, but just came out to support Black Moses and Clutch Control 2022. So I'm gonna try to get some GoPro cam from the Hero 9, no, the 10, and then here. So I'm gonna do a little walk around. I see Eric from On Twos, a couple other people. So it's gonna be a good time. Let's get at it. At least they got food. My man, what's going on, brother? Long time no see. How you been, man? Love you, bro. Hey, all good, man. Healing up from the surgery and stuff. This is my first long ride out since, you know? But yeah, man. I thought my season was over, but it's been a month. I'm feeling a lot better. But how you guys been holding up? I'll be returning to one of y'all rides once I'm, you know, good to go. Yeah, because you guys been putting up stuff. I just couldn't make it, man. I was on military duty, all this other stuff, but it's good to see you, man. I remember we came to the track at the same time a few years ago, and then now you're probably in expert class, right? Yes. You're being modest, brother. All right, cool. See you in a bit. All right. I think this was very clever how they set this up. So why not piggyback on the track day? It looks like I'm gonna spend some money. Maybe some good stuff. Oh, they got the stunt show, baby. You know what happens in here, man. But you know what? I see Mr. Moses. Let me go get my helmet. We'll be back. All right. So, folks, I'm gonna go see Black Moses. I'm trying to do this as a hybrid, but the ride down wasn't too bad. You know, my back held up. Worked out pretty well. But yeah, I'm gonna get a closer look. So let's get up over there by the stunts. Hopefully I don't get in trouble. Alrighty. I don't know if we're allowed in here, but we'll figure it out. You know I was coming, baby. Glad you made it, brother. Oh no, I just got here. Well, how long you been here?
I just got here.
Oh, you guys left before me though.
Yeah, but you know we stopped and
Yeah.
phones and get up to the side of the house.
Oh man. All right. Hey, I'm gonna link up with you real quick. Where y'all headed first? You gotta get something to eat?
I'm starving. I haven't eaten no day.
Me neither. All right, brother. I'll be there in a second. All right. All right. So, Motor Mac is in the building. All right. Yes, sir, man. What's going on, Hope? Good to see you, brother. I don't know where I can park. All right, got T'Challa over there. Got Hulk in the building. Got some big bangers, but I can't do anything crazy yet. So, you know how we do. All right, folks. I don't want to block anybody, so it's all good. You know what? Let me park up here, and I'll just back up later. All right. We'll be back. All right, folks. So here at NJMP, supporting Black Moses and Clutch Control, ran into Moto Max. real quick. So we're gonna take a look at his crew. Yeah, I guess they're at a different session. So this was a very clever idea to do clutch control piggyback with a track day. Very smart, you know. I think that should be like the going trend, but got a fellow 14 over here. And cue scrolling music. We got Hulk's right. If you notice, all ninjas, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Mr. Moses, my man. Good to see you. Good to see you, brother.
Good,
hey, make sure you support this man. Good dude right here.
Much love, much love.
All right.
Appreciate you,
hey,
brother.
this was really smart to do it like this. It was piggyback with a track day, you know? Wise.
Every once in a while, I have a good idea. Every once in a while, this is one of them.
Hey, when I pulled out, I said, you know what? And I see the guys, I'm like, is this a track day?
Yes,
going
it
on?
is. Shout out to the Riders Club of New Jersey Motorsports Park.
Yeah.
And don't act like she not. Shout out to my homegirl Charity.
Hey, how you doing?
Charity runs the Riders Club of New Jersey Motorsports Park.
This is second
Without her help and support, today would not have occurred. So much love to Charity and Mark, New Jersey Motorsports Park. Black Moses, appreciate you. Let's go.
And we go way back since we were doing clutch control and shut down the city. It's some good stuff, but you know, I hate for support.
The bad influence. Yes, they are.
But
Charity, I love
brother,
you.
I had to come and support you, man. You know I love you, man. Oh, much better, much better. I'm surprised. I mean, I even was able to ride, but I'm healing faster than the doctor said. You know, so I took a slow 2-hour ride. I was gonna be here for you. I gave you my word, man. We'll be in touch, brother.